In a celebration of martial arts mastery, they will demonstrate the beauty and power of this ancient discipline. With focused minds and determined spirits, our students will showcase their skillful techniques and graceful movements, embodying the principles of respect, perseverance, and self-control. Through their dedication to training, they have honed their abilities to a level of excellence that is truly commendable. Let's give a round of applause to our Taekwondo students as they take the stage and inspire us with their martial arts. May we call on Ezekiel B. Vandilia, Caleb Luis Articon, Juancho Miguel S. Jimenez, Anthony Ray M. Perino, Ashley Ann B. Rubio, Anthony Matthew S. Wisdom, Ana Sofia E. Mendoza, Gwyneth Leira L. Santiago, Prince Joseph F. Quinta, Emmanuel J. L. Douglas, Lisa Jean B. Mansil, Francesca B. Regala, Cathis Yuri C. Roman, Axel M. Cosico. Again, let us give them a reverberating sound of applause. And for Nicholas Clark C. Rocket, Juan Paulo A. Almiron, Sabina Countries I. Dipon, Janela Sandria S. Masampay, Trixie E. Razon, Zane Y. Luciano, Joaquin Christian F. Palasi, Jos Stefano R. Rodriguez, Octiana Maya M. Paras, Johanna Louie D. Malanta, Audrey B. Cosico. Again, let us give them a reverberating sound of applause.
All casuales. Visual partner. Visual partner. Ready? Señor.